In this video, we'll find the missing exterior angles of polygon using three examples: a triangle, a quadrilateral, and a pentagon. We'll use the fact that the sum of exterior angles of a polygon is always 360 degrees. The first example is triangle. We are giving two exterior angles, 90 degrees, 130 degrees, and we need to find the missing exterior angle x. Once we find this x, we will know all the three exterior angles. Now let's find this x. How to find x? We use this rule, which is the sum of exterior angles of a polygon equal 360 degrees. So we will put x plus this angle equal 360 degrees. Let's do it. So x, of course you can start with this one or this one, it's fine, because all we have to need to do the sum of these three exterior angles. So x plus 90 degrees plus 130 degrees, which is equal 360 degrees, which is this one. Now we want to find this x. How to find this x? We have to sum this first. So x plus 90 degrees plus 130 degrees, which is 220 degrees, equal this one, 360 degrees. Now either we can subtract both sides with negative 220 degrees, or we can take this one to the other side. So we can do it like this, 220 degrees, and here we have to subtract 220 degrees. So you take this one with this one. So x equal this 360 degrees minus 220 degrees, which is 140 degrees. So we can do it like this, or to make it neat and simple, it's better to do it like this. So x equal, to take this one to the other side, 360 degrees minus this one, because we took this one to the other side, 220 degrees. So now x equal 360 degrees minus 220 degrees, which is 140 degrees. So we found this x, which is 140 degrees. So we found all of these three exterior angles. So if you sum these three exterior angles, you will get it 360 degrees. The second example is a quadrilateral. We are giving two exterior angles of 130 degrees, 130 degrees, and two angles of x. Here they are equal. So by solving for x, we will find the values of these equal exterior angles. So if we put the sum like this, so the sum, we use this rule. So I will start with x. So x plus 130 degrees plus 130 degrees equal 360 degrees. Now if we sum these two, so 2x, x plus x, 2x plus 130 degrees plus 130 degrees, which is 260 degrees, equal 360 degrees. Now we put this one alone, and the same as before, we can take this one to the other side, or we can subtract here negative 260, negative 260 for both sides to take rid of this one. But I prefer to take this one to the other side, so it will be here equal this one first minus this one, 260 degrees. Now we write this 2x. So if we subtract 360 degrees minus 260 degrees, it will be 100 degrees. Now I will change the color. So here I will divide it by 2 to take rid of this one too. Now this one, it will cancel with this one. So x equal 100 divided by 2, which is 50 degrees. So we found this x, which is 50 degrees. And the same thing here, this angle, 50 degrees. The third and final example is a pentagon. Here we have pentagon. Why it's pentagon called? Because it has 5 sides, or it has 5 angles here. So this one is a pentagon polygon. We have given two angles of 90 degrees, 90 degrees. We have given also two angles x, and we have given angle which is 2x. So we have to do exactly the same as here and here. So once we solve x, we will find this angle, and this angle. So let's write it. I prefer to write x plus 2x plus these two. It will be more simple and clear. So here x plus 2x plus 90 degrees plus 90 degrees equal 360 degrees. Okay, so if we sum these variable x plus 2x will give us 4x plus 90 plus 90, which is 180 degrees, equal 360 degrees. Now we have to take this one to the other side, or we can subtract 180 degrees and here subtract 180 degrees, and we can subtract 360 degrees minus this one will give us answer, but I prefer to take this one to the other side. So let's delete this one again. So 4x equal 360 degrees minus this one, which is 180 degrees. Now I will write here 4x equal 360 degrees minus 180 degrees. Of course, it will give us 180 degrees. Now let's change the color. So here we have to divide it by 4 and here we have to divide it by 4. This one, it will cancel with this one. Then the answer it will be here x equal 180 degrees divided by 4. It's like 180 degrees divided by 2, which is 90. Then divided by 2, it will be 45 degrees. So the answer will be 45 degrees. So we have found this x, which is 45 degrees, and this angle we found it as 45 degrees because x equal 45 degrees. Here we have 2x, so it's mean like 2 multiplied by 45 degrees, which is 90 degrees. So we found this angle equal 90 degrees. So using this formula, we have found all of these missing exterior angle. As you have seen, the key rule is the sum of exterior angles of a polygon is always 360 degrees. It's interesting how this match the total degrees in a full circle. Using this rule, we were able to solve for the missing angles in all these three examples from triangle to pentagon. I hope this video clearly showed you how to find the missing exterior angles of a polygon. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more math videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.